Hello everyone, myself Dr. Santosh. Once again, welcome you all. Today we will discuss the most important topic, that is the relationship between sleep and exercise. So usually there are some questions in our mind. What is the best time for exercise? Which exercise is good in evening or morning? Which type of exercise you can perform to get the sound sleep? Third one, the most important, does the late night exercise affect our sleep? How to get the sound sleep? Does exercise help in condition like insomnia? There are some other questions like what we can eat before going to the bed. So these are the simple questions we need to talk about this. Now we will discuss all these questions today. So the first one is, what is the best time for exercise? You cannot say which is the best time for the exercise. Like it depends upon age, any medical health problem, or chronology. In a simple word, chronology is like some people are like they sleep late, or some are like they wake up early. So it depends upon that. So you cannot say which is the best time. It depends upon the chronological type. So there are various type of workouts. So second thing, which type of workout is good? Like MIS, HIT, or LIS. So HIT, you already know, high intensity. M is for moderate and L is for low strength. Okay, so you have to divide this. Which one is better? In simple way, if you want to get sound sleep, if some people are like late sleeper, or they are like, you can say, night owl, they can perform the workout like 90 minutes to 2 hours before, but it should be moderately intense stretch workout. It shouldn't be a hit. If somebody is like early birds, because they go to the bed early, so they can perform the workout hit like in the morning time. Or if they are like, if they perform to work like in the evening one time, so evening time they can choose like 3 to 4 hours before. So why I am saying like there should be a time gap in between the workout and your time of sleep. Now let's discuss why. Exactly, when you perform the workout or any exercise, the level of endorphin inside your body, it will be raised, and because of that your heart rate is more, because of that you are keep awaking. So to get the sleep, it should goes down, so that your brain wave slows down and your heart rate also go down. Most importantly, I forgot to mention the core body temperature also. Core body temperature, when you perform any kind of workout, it will get increased. So before getting the sound sleep, it will lower down. So what you need for the sound sleep, three things. Most important one, your heart rate should be come to the down or normal level. Second thing, core body temperature go down. And the third thing, your endorphin level goes down. So it should be the, so that you can get the sound sleep, or you can say the deep sleep. So does this workout or exercise affect our sleep, or it help in the patient of insomnia? Yes, it help the patient of insomnia, or you can say like sleep related disorder, like movement disorder, but it should be sleep related. Sleep apnea, it will also get benefited because of the workout. So in short, how much time or how much time gap is present in between your workout and sleep? So if we perform like high intensity workout, so here at least there should be a 3 to 4 hour gap to normalize your endorphin level or core body temperature. If you perform the moderately intense workout, then at least like 1.5 hour, or you can say 90 minutes. And if you perform like low intensity, at least 1 hour to get all normalized and to get the sound sleep. That is the time gap in between. So it's not which type of workout, or it's not like either you are performing workout in the evening is good or morning is good. It doesn't really matter. The matter is only the space or the time in between the workout and your sleep. Now the last one, usually to get the sound sleep, is there any diet which can help the sleep after the workout? As we know that the sleep is the best time where your all muscle they will get, or all the body part where they are exhausted already, they will get recovered. So for recovery they need the protein. So what we can eat or drink before? So best is milk, and you can say any protein diet, so that will help to rejuvenate your muscles or to rejuvenate your another organ or metabolism over, because this is the only time where everything is like reform whenever you are sleeping. So brain is actively working when you are sleeping. Then I just say about the milk. Why milk? Because milk is the best combination, because milk contain melatonin and the most important protein also. So it should be a cow's milk where melatonin is there, that will also help to get the sound sleep. So this is like a custom things you can eat, or you can drink milk, or you can eat some protein like snacks before going to the bed. So hope these are the small points might help you in your daily routine, when to perform the workout and when to go to the bed. So what we can going to eat. So thank you. We will see the next most common topic in the next lecture. Thank you.